Hi guys! Welcome sa ating channel. Sa video na ito ay mag-share po ako ng isang event ng ating Decent. So, meron po tayong join quest to share 15,000 prize pool. So, each more rewards with Decent biometric wallet. So, meron tayong 15,000 USDT plus $15 gas pass ng ating Decent biometric wallet. Okay? So, ano po ba yun guys? Okay? Ito po guys, isang Kaya account. So, ilalagay natin yung sa description guys ha. Nasa link po yung description nito. Pero magsiselebrate tayo ng Kaya Joining Gas Pass Complete Quest and start your first Kaya Ecosystem Experience. Ito nga po ay USDT Complete Quiz and start your first Kaya Ecosystem Experience. So, meron tayong 1 USDT. So, nagbabali po siya ng 0.9995 na price ng ating Kaya. So, gas pass po dito is powered by Kaya ha, okay? And add Kaya account to your Decent wallet to receive quest reward. So, deposit $150 plus USDT from exchange. Deposit at least 150 USDT in Kaya from an exchange to your Decent wallet. So, meet the newly launched Kaya Protocol Super Earn. And then, reward booster, guys, $10 gas pass coupon reward. And hold $150 USDT Kaya in your Decent wallet to receive a gas pass coupon. So, meet the newly launched Kaya Protocol and Super Earn. Optimize your USDT utility by connecting directly with the evolving Kaya ecosystem. Meet the newly launched Kaya Protocol Super Earn and complete the quest and share 15,000 USDT. 720 winners will be selected from Quest Complete to receive rewards, and 700 random winners will each receive $20 USDT, and the top 20 depositor will receive larger rewards. Okay? And then, meron pa tayong kaganapan guys. Pwede din po kayong bumili ng ating biometric wallet. Okay? So, nasa description din po yung link po natin dito. So, guys, ito po guys ay, at ayan nga po guys, no, more control, more cashback. So, buy a Decent wallet to get 25 USDT Kaya and cashback and earn from $30,000 in Kaya campaign rewards. Buy a wallet and get $25 back. Bonus reward is $15 worth of gas pass. So, earn event more with Kaya Quest. So, ayun nga po, mag-join po tayo ng ating Kaya and stop paying more for USDT transfer po, guys. At ayan na nga po, guys, Decent Kaya gas free campaign and earn rewards with wallet purchases and share 15,000, no? So, biometric wallet purchase rewards po, guys. And Decent Kaya 42,000 USDT, complete quest and grow your USDT Kaya. And stop paying more for USDT transfer. So, dito lang po magtatapos ang ating video, guys. So, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe po dito sa ating channel, guys. Yan lang po, and thanks for watching and have a good day. At yung link po natin, guys, nasa description po yan. Nilagay ko yan po sa ibaba ng ating vlog po, guys, no? Yan lang po, guys. Thanks for watching.